most out of your sales, it is imperative to make use of your plugins. Shopify assists the user with an app store consisting of 5,899 apps and extensions. These apps and extensions are designed with the help of in-house teams and third-party developers. In case you are confused about which plugin you should install, then always take the help of a star rating or user reviews. Woocommerce offers you more than 50,000 free and paid plugins to improve the functionality of your online store based on aspects of logistical, technical, and marketing needs. On the other hand, Moocommerce, which is built on the top of Woocommerce platform, assists the starters to launch their online store while spending less. Moocommerce is ideal for both small and large stores expecting tons of traffic but still works best. However, you can't install anything from a third party because Moocommerce itself offers you a wide range of functionality to run your online store with a top-line performance in this digital race.